Abdul Razak Mohammed, the match commissioner, leading out the team and the officials. And Sri Lanka in blue, there are the team officials. So Sri Lanka about to kick off, the men in blue and the fancy yellow boots. Nipuna Bandara, the 2-goal hero of the last match. So Sri Lanka playing from left to right. And Afghanistan all in red. Afghanistan had given a very gallant, committed display, had left India red in the face after holding them to a 1-all draw. Weak back header, and this could be the first goal. Suicide by Afghanistan. They've given a early Christmas gift, and history repeating itself. Mohammad Zain scored against Bhutan. He scored the first goal against Afghanistan, also receiving the congratulations from his teammates. Mohammad Zain basically capitalizing an opportunistic goal, capitalizing on a defensive mistake. There's the long goalkeeper's clearance, and Safa, who had taken a bit of a knock earlier, probably slowed him down, wasn't concentrating, a very weak back header. Jalaluddin Sharatyar, who plays in Cyprus, indicated to Safa to head it clear. It's very dangerous to head back to the goalkeeper unless you're very sure of yourself, and Afghanistan have committed harikari and given Sri Lanka an early Christmas and New Year gift. But Afghanistan, can they come on level terms? And what a shot! What a goal! What a goal! One of the most memorable goals of this tournament. Absolutely brilliant goal. And see the sheer joy. And the man who's got it is Sanjar Ahmadi. If Bilal Arzu fired against India, today he's his co-striker, Sanjar Ahmadi. Crisp rising shot into the roof of the net. Sanjar Ahmadi blasting the ball into the roof of the net. I think it touched the fingertips of goalkeeper Sujan Pereira. Government official. And on the far side, this could be goal number 2, and yes, it is! It is goal number 2, and the man on fire, Sanjar Ahmadi. Bilal Arzu not having a great day. He missed an easy touch, but Sanjar Ahmadi following up has put Afghanistan 2-1 ahead. It's sheer joy amongst the Afghan expatriates. The team with great passion and commitment. The team forged from a war-torn nation are now leading Sri Lanka 2-1. It's the danger man Esrafil, and the question marks on the Sri Lankan defense. Where are they? Yards behind. Chamara Krishanta chasing Esrafil, and both the strikers had left their central defenders for dead. Arzu missing it, but in comes Sanjar Ahmadi and the sheer joy. Fisted away by the goalkeeper. Really not the best way to collect the ball, but didn't want to take any risks. Some slick dribbling and a nice crisp chip shot. But this time, 30-year-old Kabul Bank officer Hamidullah Yousafzai made no mistake. So host of good football players from Sri Lanka. They won this title in '95 in Colombo, beating India. Heartbreak for India's dreams. Rustam Akramov's team. And now a chance for Afghanistan. Bilal Arzu. Can he finish it off? No, he doesn't. But the defense is at 6s and 7s. The Sri Lankan defense is having a nightmare. Bilal Arzu and Sanjar Ahmadi with these penetrative runs. And it will be the hard-working, hyperactive Harun Fakhruddin with this corner. And that's a third goal, and that's curtains for Sri Lanka. And it is none other than Faisal Safa. He's really made amends for the lapse in the beginning. We'll see it again. Is it Faisal Safa or is it Ata Muhammad Yamir Ali? We'll just see it again. We'll confirm, but we can confirm it is Afghanistan leading Sri Lanka 3-1. And they've got 1 3/4 foot in the semi-final. Sheer joy on the face. He can't believe it, Hamidullah Yousafzai. Let's see it again. Fakhruddin, the corner. Yes, it's the number 17. It's Ata Muhammad Yamir Ali, the defensive midfielder. He outjumps the Sri Lankan markers. A defender over there, number 15, Chamira Krishanta. He couldn't block this header. Very clever football here by Afghanistan. Playing the ball to feet, playing the ball backwards. And now, on his own, Bilal Arzu. Bilal Arzu, can he get the 4th goal? No, it's the side netting. He went past the goalkeeper, but he nearly broke Sri Lankan hearts further. Afghanistan will remember the Nehru Stadium in Delhi for a long, long time. It's the day when their football has come of age. And that's it. It's all over. An emphatic 3-1 victory for Afghanistan. Their supporters are in paradise, as are all their players. Sheer joy for them. A great victory for Afghanistan. Committed display. Battle their way to victory after a goal down. The Afghanistan flag is flying.